Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something important. We will talk about how to learn English. Learning English can be fun. It can be easy if we do it right. So, I will share some tips with you. First, let me tell you a story. When I was young, I did not know English. I felt scared. But then, I started to listen to stories in English. I listened every day. Slowly, I began to understand. The words became clear, and my fear went away. Listening is very important. When you listen, you hear new words. You learn how to say them and how to use them. So, listen to English every day. Listen to stories, songs, or even the news. It helps a lot. Now, let's talk about practice. Practice makes perfect, and it is true. When I was learning, I practiced every day. I spoke in English even if I made mistakes. Mistakes are okay, they help you learn. So, don't be afraid. Speak English every day. Another tip is to read. Reading is a good way to learn. You can start with simple books. Books with pictures are great because they help you understand the story. As you read, you learn new words and how to use them in sentences. Once, I read a story about a cat. The cat was lost. It was a simple story, but I loved it. I learned many new words from that story. The more I read, the better my English became. So, read as much as you can. It will help you a lot. Writing is also important. When you write, you use the words you know and learn to put them together. Start by writing small things. Write about your day, your family, or anything you like. The more you write, the better you get. When I was learning, I had a small notebook. I wrote in it every day about my school, my friends, and my dreams. I made many mistakes, but I learned from them. Writing helped me a lot and made me more confident. Another tip is to watch English videos. Watching videos is fun. You can watch cartoons, movies, or shows. When you watch, you hear how people speak and learn how to say words correctly. You also learn new words. I remember watching a cartoon about a dog. The dog was very funny. It made me laugh, but I also learned new words. Watching it helped me understand English better. Talking to people is also a good way to learn. If you have friends who speak English, talk to them. Practice with them. If you don't, you can find people online. I had a friend named Sarah who spoke English very well. We talked every day. Sometimes I made mistakes, but she helped me and corrected me. Talking to her helped me a lot. Another important thing is to be patient. Learning a new language takes time. It does not happen in one day. So, be patient with yourself. Do not give up. Keep trying, even if it is hard. Remember, every small step counts. I remember feeling sad when I could not understand something, but I did not give up. I kept going, and slowly I got better. Also, use a dictionary. A dictionary is your friend. It helps you understand new words. When you find a word you don't know, look it up, learn its meaning, and try to use it in a sentence. Another good tip is to play games in English. Games are fun and help you learn without feeling like you are studying. You can play word games, puzzles, or quizzes. Also, try to think in English. It might be hard at first, but it helps a lot. Slowly, it becomes easier. Set goals for yourself. Goals help you stay focused. Start with small goals, like learning 5 new words a day or reading 1 page daily. Review what you learn. When you review, you remember better. Look at your notes and read your old writings. Stay positive. Learning can be hard, but if you stay positive, it becomes easier. Believe in yourself, you can do it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. They are your best teachers. Lastly, enjoy the journey. Learning English is a journey full of discovery. The more you enjoy it, the easier it becomes. As you continue, surround yourself with English. Listen to music, watch movies, and read in English. The more you see and hear it, the faster you learn. Repeat what you learn. Repetition helps you remember better. Make learning fun. Sing songs, create stories, and enjoy the process. Use new words right away. This helps you remember them. Don't rush. Take your time. Learning is not a race. Keep a journal in English. Write about your day and your thoughts. Ask questions. There are no silly questions when learning. Take breaks when you feel tired. Rest and come back stronger. Celebrate your progress. Every small success matters. Learn with others. It makes learning easier and more fun. Listen to yourself when you speak. It helps improve pronunciation. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Be creative. Use your imagination to learn better. Stay organized. Keep your notes in one place. Be consistent. Practice a little every day. Be kind to yourself. Learning is not easy, and that's okay. Use flashcards to remember words. Immerse yourself in English. Use it in your daily life. Be curious. Curiosity helps you learn more. Use online resources like apps and videos. Learn about English culture to understand the language better. Stay motivated. Find what keeps you going. Listen to different accents to improve understanding. Use English in real-life situations. Be open to learning new things. Make your own sentences with new words. Watch English TV shows. Try new learning methods. Focus on one thing at a time. Connect what you learn to your daily life. Be confident. Believe in yourself. Find joy in small successes. Listen to English radio and podcasts. Think of learning as an adventure. Use apps to make learning interactive. Take breaks when needed. Use visual aids like pictures and videos. Don't be afraid to start over. Set rewards for yourself. Stay curious and excited. Use English in different ways: speak, read, write, and listen. Take notes to remember better. Finally, remember this: learning English is like planting a garden. Every word is a seed, and every sentence is a flower. With patience and care, your garden will grow beautifully. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining.